one's life journey, we will encounter troughs and setbacks. However, these challenges are the opportunities for us to discover our inner beauty and strength. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we can find the guidance to get out of the darkness and relight the hope of life. The concept of the inner light is of great significance in Buddhist wisdom. It tells us that everyone has infinite light and potential in their hearts, but we need to learn how to inspire it. When we face difficulties, this inner light can be our greatest pillar and guide. Buddhism emphasizes the combination of compassion and wisdom. When we treat ourselves and others with compassion, we will find inner peace and fulfillment. Wisdom allows us to see the truth of the world and make the right choice. The combination of the two can help us find light in the dark and get out of difficulties. In the teachings of Buddhism, the view that the heart is a Buddha tells us that everyone has the potential to become a Buddha. This means that each of us has infinite beauty and wisdom in our hearts, waiting for us to discover. When we focus on our inner practice, through meditation and self-reflection, we can find the light and power in our hearts. When you face the trough of life, you can try to calm down and observe your inner world. You will find that those seemingly insurmountable difficulties are actually opportunities for growth. Inner beauty and power will guide you to light and hope. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of compassion as the key to relief from pain. When we treat ourselves and others with compassion, we can not only reduce our own pain, but also bring strength and hope to others. In a difficult situation, we can find inner beauty and strength by practicing compassion. When you feel heartache or loss, try to look at your emotions with compassion. Allow yourself to feel these emotions and give yourself enough time and space to heal. This kind of compassionate attitude towards yourself will help you get out of trouble and find the beauty and power in your heart. In Buddhist teachings, wisdom is regarded as an important guide to life. When we can look at the challenges in life with wisdom, we can grow and inspire from it. Wisdom allows us to see the truth of things, so that we can make the right choice and get out of difficulties. When you encounter difficulties, you can try to look at the problem from different perspectives. Through meditation, you will find that many difficulties are actually a part of life and the only way for us to grow up. This guidance of wisdom will help you find the beauty and strength of your heart. In Buddhism, compassion is regarded as the power of healing. When we treat ourselves and others with compassion, we can get relief from pain and find inner peace and happiness. The practice of compassion can not only heal our hearts, but also bring warmth and hope to others. When you feel pain, you can try to care for yourself with compassion. Allow yourself to feel these pains and give yourself enough time and space to heal. This kind of compassionate attitude towards yourself will help you get out of trouble and find the beauty and power in your heart. Everyone has an inner world full of potential and wisdom. Buddhism tells us that through self-exploration, we can find this inner beauty. This kind of exploration is not only an understanding of self, but also an understanding of the essence of life. When we really see our hearts clearly, we can remain calm and firm in the face of difficulties. Purification of self-heart is the core of the Buddha's teaching. We should find the inner beauty through self-exploration and achieve the purity of the soul, so as to gain inner strength. Compassion and wisdom are two important concepts in Buddhism. Compassion allows us to treat ourselves and others with love and kindness, while wisdom allows us to see the essence of things and make the right choice. The combination of the two can help us find light in difficulties and move towards a better future. Compassion is the foundation of practice, and wisdom is the way to practice. When we can combine compassion and wisdom, we can find a way out in difficulties. When we can find the inner beauty, we can gain inner peace. This calmness comes from our understanding and acceptation of ourselves, and from our understanding and respect for life. When we can keep our hearts calm, we can take it easy in the face of difficulties. When we can put aside the obstacles in happiness, we can be fearless, stay away from all upside-down dreams, and achieve inner peace and freedom. Self-dwelling is an important step in discovering inner beauty. When we can accept our strengths and weaknesses, we can get inner peace and satisfaction. This kind of self-acceptance allows us to face everything in life with a more confident attitude, so as to obtain inner peace and peace. When we can accept ourselves and not blame others, we can achieve inner peace and wisdom through our own learning and growth. Hope is an important force to support us out of trouble. When we can find the inner beauty, we can draw the power of hope from it. This hope comes from our confidence in the future and our love for life. This power of hope can help us find light in difficulties and move towards a better future. The impermanence and shortness of everything in the world. We should look at everything in the world from this point of view, so as to gain inner liberation and hope. Through the wisdom of Buddhism, we can find the inner light and power in the dark. No matter what difficulties we encounter, as long as we can face them with compassion and wisdom, we can get out of difficulties and find the beauty in our hearts. Let's practice these wisdoms in life together and meet the bright future.